Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Interesting unknown facts you should know. 1. Most lipstick contains fish scales. Some lipstick does contain something called pearl essence. Also known as pearl essence, this silvery substance is literally found in fish scales. It is primarily sourced from herring and can be found in many lipsticks, nail polishes and other cosmetic products due to the shimmer effect it creates. 2. Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold weight. So as the liquid warms, it makes the water molecules sit further apart from each other as the hydrogen bonds stretch. The Mpemba effect is named after a Tanzanian student who took cookery classes in the 1960s and found a hot ice cream mixture froze faster than a cold one. However, until now they have struggled to explain why. 3. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. In 2007, French engineer Pascal Cotte announced that his ultra-high resolution scans of the painting provide evidence that Mona Lisa was originally painted with eyelashes and with visible eyebrows, but that these had gradually disappeared over time, perhaps as a result of overcleaning. 4. Ants never sleep. Basing and McCluskey in 1986 used brain activity recorders on black and red and soldier ants to determine whether the deeper resting period constituted actual sleep. A steep decline and brainwave fluctuations supported the sleep hypothesis in black and red ants, but surprisingly showed a higher level of brain activity in soldier ants in a deep resting phase. 5. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. So, weight is nothing but the force of gravity acting on the object. The gravitational force of the moon acting directly above the object reduces the gravitational force of Earth a little. This is the reason weight, force of gravity acting on the object, reduces when moon is directly overhead. 6. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies taste with their feet as their taste sensors are located there. They can taste it by just standing on their food. They don't have mouths that allow them to bite or chew, instead they have a long straw-like structure called a proboscis which they use to drink nectar and juices. 7. The human heart creates enough pressure when it pumps out to the body to squirt blood 30 feet. The heart is one of the most important organs in the body and is responsible for pumping blood around quickly and efficiently to keep us alive. In order to achieve this, it needs to be incredibly strong and create high pressure. You may be surprised at just how strong the human heart is though, as it creates enough pressure to squirt blood up to an incredible 30 feet. That's the length of a double-decker bus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for watch more videos.